Got juice, gauges are lit up. Got power. That motor turning?
Yeah.
20 pounds so far.
Ready? Here's some juices. Yeah.
Too much.
Perfect. Fires.
Fires. Hey, I didn't hear any horrible noises yet, so that's good.
That is good.
Contact.
Contact.
That was an immediate backfire.
Yeah. Contact.
While the valve's still open because it's
Right.
coming right back up.
Right.
All right, so I think that really easy to get to nut, the bolt
Oh,
over
that
there on
one?
the hold
Yeah.
down. Yeah. That can's lumpy.
Yes. Very nicely lumpy.
Very nicely lumpy. It's a competition cams cam. So we're probably gonna have to. I don't know if we have to do the bowls. I don't think it'll be as hostile when it's outside the garage.
Right.
I got 75 pounds of oil pressure on first startup. Oh, the antifreeze here.
Seriously?
I wonder if that intake manifold gasket needs to be tight. Obvious because it's a bolt.
Right. Yeah.
What the heck is this one now? Yeah, because it's going this way to it. Well, I'm going to back it up halfway.
Yep.
This may be a trend. She likes fuel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Put an electric pump in
If
it.
you have to, yeah.
I have one.
If you have to.
Remember when I told you this was going to sound like a male pig in a barnyard going... Three-quarters of an inch.
This way.
Yep. All right, game on.
Yeah.
Because the system's pressurizing and it's got air.
Right.
With a train line pumping that whole time, I think it would have pulled from the tank by now.
You think that?
I think the timing's a lot closer.
Yeah. The race cars go round and round and round. Until you break something and then you have to start all over again like this.
But as long as it's not backfiring on the crank,
Right.
then we're fine. Why is it so fucking hot? I think we should probably put a little more in. Do you think?
Probably that.
Better than running that. I mean, now the pump's not dry.
Right.
All right, we'll let it.
Yeah, it might take a little while to, it's cold.
Why are we getting pressure in the cooling system? Thermostat's not open yet.
Right.
So I pulled the timing back to.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I never did. I never blocked that giant fucking hole in the back of the intake.
Oh.
It's got tons of oil pressure, which is a really good sign on your first fire up of the motor, and it's not dropping. I think the motor's air bound a bit.
Alright, well, initial startup, got good oil pressure. Took a long time to get it to pull fuel from the tank, although everything was empty. Fuel bowls were empty, so we bottle fed it to keep it going. Timing, we kind of hit it with timing, but right now we're trying to get the air pockets out of the motor. Every line was empty, so getting a little bit of extra heat over here on the breather, which is a little concerning. Next step is take some readings, fire it up again,
Yeah.
and see what we can get for readings.
Right.
Check all the valve flash. We don't have any noise,
Right. No.
so
How about the oil level?
Yeah. What do you think? 1030, 1040?
1040.
No gas.
No gas.
All right. Right at 185. And then they'll kick off at 175. 10 degrees. Turn this to 10, and we're looking for 0. All I have to do is wait. I'll turn the tree and just wait for 0, because I know they're 10 degrees. So pretty cool.
So we'll positively go here, and that will turn on a strobe light. You'll see when I turn this on initially that it should strobe. There it is. So the way this is going to work is on the balancer there is a groove, and above that is a plate that looks like this, with all the timing numbers on it. Strobe light makes it look like it's not spinning. Yeah, let's shoot somewhere between 12 and 18. Then we'll hook up the vacuum advance and I'll bring the idle up over 2 grand. Right, we should be able to get 36 degrees. Running out of fuel. 16 degrees initial timing. I dialed back to 16. Look where it is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, you want to tell me when it's getting close?
Yeah.
Okay, we got fluid going to the valve. I think we're still idle and high.
She gonna burn.